How to transfer my WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer my WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android. First, open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Now, tap on Settings from the bottom right corner. Here, tap on Chats from the list. Now scroll down and tap on Move Chats to Android. Then, tap on Start to begin the transfer process. After that, connect your iPhone to your Android device with a cable. Now, wait for your Android device to tell you when you can disconnect the cable. Once it's done, you will see your WhatsApp messages move to your Android phone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.